And no surprise, once again, the radar quiet this afternoon. Nothing happening from Jackson to the south to Macomb and up to the north into the Delta. Nothing going on here. And once again, east and northeast Mississippi, the better coverage of showers, even there across toward the Alabama state line. Very light and spotty at this hour. But look at the pattern trying to shift south just a little bit with this coverage of showers and thunderstorms. That will give us an opportunity this afternoon, a brief window of opportunity for a few thunderstorms. Once again, anything that falls will be few and far between. Check out the temperatures now. Our Alpha Insurance Sky Cam from Miss Skelly Furniture, where the temperature now at 93 degrees. It feels though like 103. So the beat goes on in terms of this heat and humidity. The actual temperature in Clinton now at 92 degrees, Canton 91, Madison 90, at the Res now 89 degrees, Florence now at 91, and West Mississippi in the low to middle 90s from Vicksburg back down to Natchez, while Macomb sitting at 91 degrees. The heat index on up there, look at this, it feels like 102 in Greenwood, Vicksburg 105, and most all of us now at triple digits, including Jackson, Macomb, and Natchez. And these numbers will not let up at all over the coming days. We're talking middle 90s to upper 90s this afternoon, around 97. There is the potential for a few widely placed showers or thunderstorms, but nothing extremely widespread. Of course, one thing you can do to cool off today, head out to the pool. Of course, by now the pool water feeling more like bath water, but still is better than nothing. A few scattered clouds along with a spotty thunderstorm or two. Of course, if you do hear a thunderstorm approaching, go inside. That applies for all outdoor activities. And now let's run our model forecast. We'll show you what we're expecting for the rest of the afternoon. We're talking light spotty showers that will develop from north to south. Again, only about a 2 in 10 chance, and these showers will weaken very quickly after sunset. And if you don't get anything today, chances are most of us will stay dry over the weekend, and very dry as a matter of fact all the way into next week. Essentially no chance for rain Saturday all the way through the middle part of next week as this heat continues from Mississippi back over to Texas. I know it's the same story we've been telling you day after day, the pattern not changing. In fact, we will get even hotter over the weekend. Sunday will not be a bit surprised if a few spots including Jackson and central Mississippi hit triple digits. That also applies for the southern part of the state, although the better opportunity will be along the I-20 corridor. Lots of 99s, close to 100 all the way into next week. Bottom line, this heat not going anywhere. If you're headed to the Gulf Coast this weekend, expect a mix of sun and clouds, a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms from Mississippi all the way into Alabama. Again, low to middle 90s each day, and the water temperature, by the way, running all the way up into the 80s. Don't forget our First Alert Weather app. You can keep up with us there for all the latest weather information, and msnewsnow.com. For the rest of the day, a few storms possible, but again, only about a 20% chance, and then basically no rain over the weekend and into next week, just hot and steamy. Upper 90s, close to 100 degrees.
Looking ahead, the city of Jackson